Let's create a radar or spider chart in order to visually see the differences between candidate A and candidate B. So we have all these skills here between candidate A and candidate B, and we want to see the visual differences. Let's go ahead and select our data, go to your Insert tab, go to your charts, and then finally go to this tiny little tab that says Insert Waterfall, Funnel, Stock, Surface, or Radar Chart. And then go down to Radar, and then here you have your radar chart. Go ahead and change your title. We'll say candidate A versus candidate B. Okay, and a couple things that we can note here. One, just double check your axis. So right click on your axis and do Format Axis. Make sure that your maximum is bounded to 10 or 100, whichever scale you're using. Sometimes Excel automatically bounds it to your highest value from your data table, so just double check that. Another thing you can do to better visualize your data is go ahead and go up to these chart designs. This provides a couple of other ways to see it. For example, the opacity is set a little bit higher here, or you can have some bolder designs as well.